I think it's amazing how so many of us are so focused on so many things, but what we should be needing to be focused on. I mean, if you really want to look at the world and all of the confusion that's going on, you just might miss the mystery. You just might miss that which is about to happen. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look on the screen and you see that we're talking about a very, very specific time and date that is on God's calendar. Whether you know it or not, there is going to be an event of all events that the world will never stop talking about once it happens. But once it happens, it will not happen again. And I'm talking about that moment when we all shall be changed. There's going to be a time where a trumpet is going to sound. Yes, a trumpet will sound, and we all will be changed in the twinkling of an eye. And let me tell you, when that thing happens, when we are all changed, oh my God, you will not see, you will not hear another trumpet. We will all be gone. We will be out of here. Yes, at the last trump. Do you know what the last trumpet's talking about? It is a mystery to many of us, but God did not want us to be ignorant of this mystery. So I'm asking you, are you ready? Are you ready for the last trump? Are you ready? You need to be. You need to take this seriously. You need to be watching. You need to be praying. You should be paying attention to the feast of the Lord. Yes, pay attention to the Feast of Trumpets. Pay attention to that which God is doing. Pay attention. Pay attention. I'm showing you the mystery. I'm telling you something is about to happen. The event of all events. And I don't want you to be left behind. Take this to heart. Receive this message because God loves you that much.